BlackSky Technology has signed early access agreements with multiple international defense sector customers for real-time space-based monitoring capabilities. These agreements will allow the customers to integrate high-resolution 35-centimeter imagery into their daily intelligence operations, reducing analysis time and offering a wide range of new solutions. The subscription-based contracts provide access to BlackSky's Spectra tasking and analytics platform, enabling customers to order high-cadence, time-diverse Gen 2 and Gen 3 imagery and AI-driven analytics. These initial agreements are expected to scale in size and volume as the company increases available Gen 3 capacity over time. This builds on the momentum of good news from BlackSky's first quarter earnings report that shows an improvement, with revenue increasing by 22% and net loss narrowing by 19%. Overall, BlackSky reported impressive performance of its Gen 3 satellite, surpassing expectations in image quality and analytics capabilities. In total, the company secured over $130 million in new contracts and renewal agreements, reflecting strong demand for its space-based intelligence solutions. Backlog increased by 50% year-over-year, providing solid revenue visibility for future periods. On top of that, their liquidity position improved, ending the quarter with $77 million in cash and short-term investments, and a total liquidity position of over $136 million. Geopolitical uncertainties have not hindered discussions with international customers, as there is a strong worldwide demand for space-based intelligence solutions, according to BlackSky CEO Brian O'Toole. In fact, governments are accelerating investments in sovereign capabilities, positioning BlackSky well to address national security needs. Furthermore, AI plays a significant role in attracting new customers and has become critical for managing the high volume and speed of information. The integration of AI is essential for speeding up insights and is increasingly important for customers expanding their operations. The timeline for recognizing the backlog includes near-term revenue from imagery and analytics, with significant recognition expected post-2026, influenced by Gen 3 capacity. The $130 million increase in backlog consists of a large portion from an existing international customer, along with about 20 new customers, including one in India. In their future roadmap, onboard computing is seen as a useful tool, but optical crosslinks are crucial for improving latency in satellite tasking and information delivery, making them a key aspect of BlackSky's development plans. Since successfully commissioning its first Gen 3 satellite, which exceeded expectations for tasking to delivery performance, BlackSky aims to scale this service quickly and reliably for customers with a regular cadence of Gen 3 launches, providing low latency, high revisit capabilities. Preparations are underway to launch its second Gen 3 unit in Q2, integrating high-cadence, very high-resolution 35-centimeter imagery into customer workflows later this year. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.